Hello, I'm Dr. Sunita. In this video, we will discuss polygon clipping. To do a polygon clipping, we need to know the idea of Cohen-Sutherland algorithm. So, we will discuss what is Cohen-Sutherland algorithm and what is the basics of Cohen-Sutherland algorithm as well as the rules. Okay, first we'll look about what is polygon clipping. As we know that what is polygon? Polygon means what? It's an object. It contains more than 3 sides. So this is called as a what? Polygon, right? So polygon clipping means, clip means what? Remove the portion of the polygon. That portion may be the outside of the window. Okay, for example, this is the clipping window. Right, in the previous video we have discussed what is clipping window and all, right? So this is the clipping window and this is a what? Polygon, right? So as per this polygon clipping, now we need to see which portion of the polygon is outside the window. See, this is the outside the window and this portion is what? Outside the window, and this portion is what? Outside the window. So as per this algorithm, we need to remove this outside of the portion of this polygon, the against polygon clipping window, right? After removing this portion, we will get the object will like this. Okay, so this is called as what? Polygon clipping. What is the meaning of polygon clipping? Remove the portion if it is outside the clipping window, right? So that is called as what? Polygon clipping. So polygons are clipped based on the window, and the portion which is inside the window will keep as it is, right? And the portion that is outside the polygon window, that will be clipped or that will be removed. This is called as what? Polygon clipping. Once you clip this polygon, right, we will get an object like this. Okay. To perform this type of polygon clipping, we need to understand the algorithm. The algorithm is called as Sutherland-Hodgman polygon clipping algorithm. This is again its meaning what? Clipping. This is for clip the polygon, right? So in this algorithm, what we will do, all the vertices of the polygon are clipped against each edge of the polygon window. Suppose this is an polygon window, right? This is what? Clipping window, sorry. This is what? Clipping window. Okay. And this, the star symbol is there, no? That is called as what? Polygon, right? So what, as per this algorithm, what we are doing, all the vertices, these are called as what? Vertices, right? All these vertices, we need to clip against this clipping window. That is the meaning of what? Cohen-Sutherland polygon clipping algorithm. To perform this kind of clipping, we need to follow 4 steps here. In the first step, to clip the polygon, first we need to clip the polygon against left edge of the clipping window. See, previously your image was like this, your object was like this, right? So what is happening as per this algorithm? First we need to clip the left edge of the polygon. Okay, this is the what? Left edge of the clipping window. So the portion has to be clipped. After clipping this, we will get the image like this. In this image or in this object or picture, what we are doing here, we are clipping the polygon against right edge of the clipping window. If this clipping portion is removed, then we will get the image like this. So what is in the second diagram, what we have done? We clip the polygon against right edge of the clipping window. Okay, and in the third step, what we are doing, we are clipping the polygon against top of the clipping window. This is the what? This is the what? Clipping window. This is the what? Top, right? What we have done, we removed the portion of the polygon against top edge of the clipping window. So in this example, in this diagram, what we are doing, we are clipping, this is the portion we are clipping here, right? Portion of the polygon we are clipping against bottom edge of the clipping window. In this way, we will clip the polygon using 4 steps. First, we need to clip the polygon against left edge of the clipping window. Next step, we need to clip the polygon against right edge of the clipping window. And in the third step, we need to clip the polygon against top edge of the polygon. In the fourth step, we need to clip the polygon against bottom edge of the polygon. This is how Cohen-Sutherland polygon clipping algorithm will work. So, to perform this type of clipping of a polygon, we need to understand 4 cases. Whenever we need to thoroughly understand polygon clipping algorithm, we need to keep in our mind these 4 cases. Okay, in the first case, what is happening? This is called a dotted line is called as what? Clipping window, and this is what? Polygon. So when we want to clip the polygon, we need to follow 4 cases. Among 4 cases, this is the one case. Assume that I want to clip this edge of the polygon. In this one, this portion of the polygon is outside of the clipping window, right? So you need to check what is the complete edge of this polygon. Edge of this polygon vertices are V1 and this is called as what? V2. So what is happening? This edge is entering into polygon clipping window, right? This edge is entering into inside the clipping window. That is, this will be what? Out. This will be what? In. This will be out and this will be what? In. So the edge is from out to in. In that case, we need to find out intersection of this edge. Intersection will call as V1 dash. This is your vertex V1. This intersection, new intersection will call as what? V1 dash. So, as per the first case, we need to save V1 dash V2, okay, to clip the polygon in the next step. This is the first case. In the first case, what is happening? Your edge of the polygon is what? Out to in. In that case, we need to save or we need to output the vertex V1 dash and V2. This is what? V1 dash and this will be what? V2. This is the first case. In the second case, suppose your edge of the polygon is completely inside the clipping window. This is what your clipping window. In this case, entire edge of the polygon is inside the clipping window. So what is this? V1 to V2. In that case, we need to save the vertices V2. V1 to V2. Okay, V1 to V2. In that case, we need to save the vertices V2. So what is the second case is saying? This is the polygon. So this is the clipping window. Your polygon edge is completely inside the clipping window. In that case, we need to save V1 to V2 vertices. Among these two, we need to save our output. The vertice is called as what? V2. Okay, we will move to the third case. In the third case, the edge of the polygon is moving from in to out. This is what? Inside the clipping window, in to out. We'll call as this what? V1. And this vertices will call as V2. Okay, and once it is moving from inside to outside, we'll find the intersection. We'll call as this as V1 dash. We'll call as what? V1 dash. In this case, in to out, in this case, we need to save V1 dash vertices for the next step. Okay, so in the fourth case, what is happening? This is your clipping window. This is your clipping window and this is your polygon. The edge of the polygon is completely outside the clipping window. You don't want to save any vertices. So like this, 4 cases we need to follow. 4 cases we need to follow to clip the polygon by using Cohen-Sutherland algorithm. I'll repeat once again. If the edge is out to win, inside, we need to save V1 dash V2. What is V1 dash? V1, V2. These two are the vertices. This is called as what? New intersection of the edge, V1 dash. We need to say what? V1 dash V2 when there is an edge of the polygon is out to in. Second case, if the edge of the polygon is completely inside the clipping window, we need to say only V2. We don't want to say V1, we need to say only V2. In the third case, what is happening? The edge of the polygon is into out, V1, V2. This intersection is called as V1 dash. In this case, we need to save only V1 V1 dash. We need to say what? V1 dash. Okay, in the fourth case, what is happening? The edge of the polygon is completely outside the polygon. So we don't want to save any vertices of this polygon edge. So we need to remember these are the 4 cases to use for polygon clipping. Thank you.